Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering and connecting hardware. Plug the Chromecast into an available HDMI port and attach the USB power cable to a power adapter or TV USB. Once done, switch your TV input to that HDMI source so you see the setup screen. Make sure your phone or tablet is on the same Wi-Fi network you will use for casting. This is crucial because casting relies on device and Chromecast being on the same network. Now open the Google Home app to begin. You'll follow the Google Home prompts to discover the Chromecast. Tap the plus icon, choose Setup Device, and pick New Device. The app will scan and show a pairing code on both screens so you can verify. After pairing, select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. The Chromecast needs your credentials to stream. Make sure to allow location, Bluetooth, and local network permissions so discovery and continuous control work. Finally, name the device to keep things organized. You're ready to cast. Open a cast-enabled app such as YouTube or Netflix, tap the cast icon, and pick your Chromecast. Playback will move to the TV while your phone becomes a remote. For desktop, open Chrome, choose Cast from the menu, and select the device or tab. If casting fails, try restarting the Chromecast, your phone, and the router. Verify both devices are on the same Wi-Fi band too. 4 versus 5 GHz, and that firmware is updated. That usually fixes common issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.